Hey guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Super excited to be filming this video today because this is going to be my Depop unboxing slash haul video. I have collected a pile of items over the past month or month and a half or so, and I have opened some of these packages because we actually just came back from a road trip. I ended up taking some of the items with me, so I've tried them on already, I've worn them, styled them, and I know I love them. And in the meantime, I did get a couple new orders in, so I'm just very excited to open them and to share them with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. So the first item I'm going to open is the one that I have not opened yet, and I actually just got this package in yesterday, so I'm very excited to see it. I actually ordered this package while we were on vacation, so I knew it was going to be coming in soon. It looked like a very cool piece. Okay, so I can already see this piece is really cool. I fell in love with the color, and I was looking for some vintage cop-copine. This piece is super cool. It's basically just a long sleeve top that has lettuce trim. Yeah, the pattern is really cool on this piece. It's like a vintage kind of like mural almost, or like a vintage print of like a painting or something. I just think it's such a cool piece. I have had my eye on the brand for a while and like looking for some cool vintage pieces, and when I saw this, I just figured it was definitely a really interesting and different piece, and I feel like it's going to be perfect for fall as well. So I don't want to think about fall, but I think in terms of styling clothes, fall and spring are my favorite, so I do think I'll get good use out of this piece, and I'm very excited about that. Okay, the next two pieces I got, I actually wore both pieces on our road trip, and I got so many questions about the pants. Let me start with the top though. I am obsessed with both of these. The top is so stunning. It's just this really pretty mesh, like wide off the shoulder top, and it has a floral print. Basically the flowers are just like the only solid part. It's such a flattering piece, and I like that the flowers make it maybe like a little more feminine, but the overall style of it can be more edgy. It's definitely my style. The 3/4 length sleeves are a little bit different for me. I usually don't like 3/4 length, but it's such a good summer piece and spring and fall as well. So I really think it's versatile, and it's stunning with a skirt over a bikini, with pants and like jeans and heels or something. I think it's such a stunning piece. The pants that I got from the same seller, I got so many questions about, and I'm not surprised because I fell in love with them as well when I saw it online. They're just these red kind of like, they're basically a blue denim with a red wash, because you can kind of see the blue peek through. They are so cool. These are Simon Chang, which is a Canadian designer. I have seen Simon Chang pieces so many times in thrift stores and stuff like that, so I wouldn't be surprised if the seller thrifted this at some point, but I couldn't pass these up because I knew this was definitely something that would be a hard find. It's very specific if you wanted to go to the thrift store and find something like this, so I was so happy to find these, and I think I actually found them as soon as she just posted them. So I messaged her right away and I was like, I need those pants. I'm very happy with this purchase. They're just iconic. They actually fit me pretty well. They're a little bit oversized, but that's what I like. Totally my style right now, and gonna be perfect for fall. So very happy about those. Okay, next I'm gonna show an accessory because I am also in love with this piece. I love all these pieces, I'm gonna keep saying it. Yeah, how cool are these sunglasses? They're Vivienne Westwood, and they have the little Vivienne Westwood symbol, and they have such an interesting shape, which I actually didn't quite realize when I was buying them because they weren't tried on in the photos or anything like that. They almost look like they're actually upside down because the frame is very like low and kind of offset. So they do have like a different look, and they're quite wide, but I think they're very cool. And I love that they are like a light kind of shade color, like a light gray, so they're not too dark. They're definitely wearable because they're not overly colorful or anything, and I think they're just really good, like y2k style sunglasses. And the Vivienne Westwood, who I absolutely adore. Okay, the next piece I got, the person had just posted it, and these pants were $15, which is crazy. I paid for shipping in addition, obviously, but overall, crazy good price. And I'm just disappointed in the fit of them because they are much bigger on me than I was expecting. Like, they're very wide leg, but then the hips are also big on me, so I think I will need to get them either tailored or I might just resell them. I also bought them with the intention that if they don't fit me, it's totally a piece that I would love in my online vintage shop. So if anything, I was just sourcing for the shop, which is totally fine as well. They're liquid jeans brand, I guess, and they are literally like a liquid metal, shiny kind of finish. They're wide leg, which I love at the bottom. It's just this top area doesn't fit me well. I really think that I can get them tailored and fitted and hopefully get a good use out of them. If not, one of you can. So let's see what we have next. Ooh, okay, this piece, again, I was so excited about. I already mentioned I was looking for cop-copine pieces that were vintage, and now that I think about it, they're both orange, which was unintentional. But this skirt is just so cool. I love the acid wash on it and the kind of rough, like, frayed hem at the bottom. I actually saw a skirt that was quite similar to this one by Prada, and it was like a vintage Prada piece. The shape, the fit of it was like the exact same, and the style, it was just black at the top and then an orange, like, bleach strip at the bottom. I love the back as well. It has kind of ruching in the middle, so you can totally kind of play with the texture there, which I think is cool. It's a little bit different. Just as I was hoping, it fits really well low-waisted, so that's kind of how I'm intending on wearing it. It has a nice, like, edgy look to it and very much my style and what I'm liking right now. So yeah, I bought a bikini that was brand new, never worn. It's just some local boutique selling it. One side's not tied, but you get the idea. It's just like the perfect chocolate brown color bikini, and I like the fit of it. It's a little bit showy. You can adjust it, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I think it's a really great piece. It's very simple, and yeah, it's just the top and bottom here. Yeah, super cute. I love this color so much, and I think it's just a really, like, basic piece that I will be able to use for a very long time, because it's not something I'll get bored of, you know? I have another accessory. We're actually almost at the end of the haul. I got another pair of sunglasses, and these are Chanel. These are so incredible. I really hope you guys are sticking through to this part of the video because holy crap, these are a dream. And I took them on the road trip with me. I'm obsessed with them. These are a pair of Chanel sunglasses. They are vintage based on what the seller told me, and they came with the original Chanel case. They have a very light, smoky glass shade, basically. And then the sides are rubber, and they have like a really cool kind of like safety glasses look. But these are like your much more chic and cool version. So, I mean, they're Chanel. They're not very sun protective, but they're very, very cool. And I think I got a good price on them, so I'm very happy. Yeah, oh, and they say Chanel in the middle as well, on like the metal frame or bracket. I've seen all kinds of Chanel vintage sunglasses, but these ones are very special. So that is it for this haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and let me know which piece was your favorite. Yeah, I have a hard time picking which one's my favorite in this one because truly I was so happy with all of these pieces, and I'm definitely excited to style them more. So if there's any videos you guys would like to see as well, just let me know in the comments below, or follow me on Instagram and just message me there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.